Most buildings fear inspection day. We are built for it. This project underwent full FDNY final acceptance inspection for building approval, from the fire command center to the pump room floor. Every device addressed, every circuit tested, every supervision signal reporting, fire alarm system fully programmed, fire pump operational and verified, all tampers and flow switches confirmed, no last-minute fixes, no surprises. When FDNY walked in for final sign-off, everything performed exactly as designed, approved, county fire, complete fire protection systems, installed right, tested right, inspection ready. Call us at 888-470-3473 or visit countyfire.us today.